Come on.
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Caroline Nelson.
John,
Hi, nice to meet
nice to
you.
meet you.
I got a few handouts for you. That one?
Thank you.
If you've got a couple, I'm going to give one to Harriet. if that's all right.
Yeah.
I'll give you this one.
That's all right.
No worries. I'll put it on the stack. Don't worry.
And I've got a photo for you.
All right. What's this, Olympia?
Yes, it is. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a muscle which I was doing my project on. For my project for next year, I'll hopefully be doing ocean acidification and the effects it has on mollusks, primarily looking at the common blue mussel, which we are lucky enough to have a mussel farm.
Is that the build-up of acid?
Yes.
Acidification?
Acidification, that's right.
Ocean acidification I think it's a really important aspect to look at because it's occurring today, especially global warming, and we can see the effects in our lifetime. It's when CO2 from the atmosphere gets dissolved into the ocean and it reacts with calcium carbonate, which makes up a lot of reefs and the shells of many other mollusks and bivalves and crustaceans. It also destroys the ecosystem, which is really bad. Hopefully I'll be doing mussels and collecting them from Cornwall Mussels, which is situated by King Harry Ferry here. They produce about 200 tonnes of mussel every year, and hopefully this year they hope to increase it by 300 tonnes. I found out that it costs per average £4.50 per kilo, and if you times it by 1,000 tonnes, it's £4,950. So it's quite important that we look after them. I'll hopefully be collecting some mussels from over there and primarily looking at juveniles and putting them in tanks and gradually increasing the carbon dioxide into the water. And every month measure the weight, height and thickness of the shell. And once they're submerged underwater, they open their shells up, so I'll be able to measure inside the shell. I'll also hopefully be travelling out to King Harry and collecting sample of the water and look at the temperature, salinity, pH, and if there's any increase in carbon dioxide, and use that as my constant to compare my tank with the natural one outside. Today's pH in the water is 8.09, which is very close to neutral, which isn't very good. It should be a bit higher than that. Yeah, and hopefully I'll be doing that. And by doing this experiment, I'll hopefully be able to predict when the ocean has so much acid in it that we won't be able to reproduce mussels in the ocean, and we have to do it artificially in outer tanks.
Thank you, Gary.
What are you aware that of all the old mines that wash into
Yes.
that,
Yeah,
part of the?
it's very acidic
Ecosystem.
over there.
But have you got? So where's your baseline then?
Would you?
Well, you can go and measure your levels of acid now,
Yeah.
but what are you comparing it to? When are you comparing it to?
We don't have that data,
No.
I don't think.
So you just say you're the start of it, if you
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
First study.
Whatever.
Well, in the FAL, in terms
Yeah.
Oh, right.
of
Frozen. Yeah.
acidification.
So I mean, is it a very slow process or a rapid?
It's a slow process, but I'll hopefully, if I do it in the tanks here, I can probably increase it a bit faster. And so hopefully I'm doing it over 6 months to 8 months.
And what's that going to give us? What's it going to give you?
It will, if I increase it gently and slowly every day,
Yeah.
hopefully I can predict.
Oh, so you'll have
Yeah.
right, okay.
Predict.
So how far are we away from poisoning ourselves then?
They say by 2050 about 40% of most corals in the ocean will be disappearing, so I'm thinking we won't have a mussel farm very soon, which...
It's major, isn't it?
Who says by 2050?
scientists.
Right. Good luck.
Thanks
Thank
very
you,
much.
Karen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time.
Pleasure.
Don't forget to knit to
Hi,
colour.
my name is Caroline Nelson, and my project for next year will be ocean acidification and the effects it has on mussels. I'll be looking primarily at the common blue mussel, which is grown and harvested in the Fowl estuary. I think the bid went okay. I was really nervous, so I think I stumbled a lot, and hopefully with my hand out they got my point across. Well, thank you.